Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Amanda, I'm a hand embroidery artist and I run this YouTube channel as well as a blog focused around embroidery. And in this video, I just wanted to share with you the process of stitching this sweet memorial portrait. This is probably the last portrait I'll be taking on for some time. I really like to take them on periodically, but they are very labor intensive, and just between my full-time job and trying to do other things outside of work like this YouTube channel and my website, I can't really take them on as often as I used to and would like to anymore. So I'm really glad that I was able to take this one on. Memorial portraits hold a special place in my heart. I know how hard it is to lose a pet, so I really hope that the recipient cherishes this portrait and it's special to them. I tried to get a pretty good amount of footage on this one. You'll notice towards the end that I didn't get a ton of footage past like one of the ears, so there is a little bit of footage that I didn't get just because I did move away from my setup. And so I didn't get anything stitching the flowers or kind of adding the finishing touches onto it, but I think that it's a pretty good representation of the process. So I hope you enjoy, and I apologize if it's not as thorough as it could have been, but I really enjoyed stitching this and I feel like I learned a lot.